Hey guys, my name is Titus. I am a OnePlus brand ambassador, but I also run a YouTube channel called The Search for Awesome, which is all about tech. I've been using OnePlus phones since the OnePlus One, and I've been a OnePlus fan ever since. Okay, here's what we're gonna be doing. I have a OnePlus 7 Pro right here, and OnePlus asked me to get some people's first impressions of the screen and the body of the OnePlus 7 Pro. And keep in mind that these people are just friends and family of mine, and they've never seen the OnePlus 7 Pro before until right now.
My name's Jacob, and I use a iPhone XR.
My name's Stacy. I have an iPhone 8.
My name is Cassie, and I use the iPhone XR.
My name is Leslie, and I have the OnePlus 3, 4.
I currently own a Galaxy S8 Plus.
The iPhone X.
Yes, the OnePlus 6.
Definitely feels and looks like something that's extremely high dollar so far.
It's really shiny.
Yeah, definitely solid quality here. I mean, it feels good in your hand. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it.
I don't want to hurt it. Okay.
The screen's very nice. It's very slick, very glassy.
I really like the way it's like rounded. It feels really like smooth. It feels fancy. Like it really does.
I like that I can see myself. Has that always been an option? Like the reflectionness is there.
That's cool. Like the screen is so, it covers like the whole phone. And it goes off to the sides too. That's neat.
But it's very like, uses the space very optimally. It's amazing so far.
You know, I usually don't care about I'm like HD. I can VHS, DVD, Blu-ray. They all look the same to me. But no, this really makes a difference.
It's like extremely crisp. Like I just bought my phone, and like this is so much nicer than my phone.
It is very immersive. It makes me feel like I'm looking directly at it.
I mean, you seeing this? Like, look at the detail.
I mean, it's great. I mean, it definitely has a great picture quality, no doubt.
The screen is incredible.
Very clear and crisp. It's like very high quality.
Yeah, the colors are more vibrant. Everything's just super clear, and I have terrible vision, so for things to be clear is really cool.
I mean, the colors, the detail, I mean, everything. I have never seen video quality this good on a phone, ever.
Is there a front camera? Oh, shut up. That's so cool.
Did you just see the camera? I didn't. Hold on.
It comes out the top. What? That is some tech right there.
Sometimes like cameras will be like, whoa, 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 that. Wow, that's cool.
And now the camera disappeared, and I want it back because that was cool. I could do that all day.
Again, the first thing I noticed is how quickly the screen is.
Very quick. It's extremely quick. It just, as soon as you touch it, it's there. It was on X Games when I was scrolling through like Instagram. It was going really fast.
It doesn't lag at all.
It's definitely it's got a nice feel to it. And which is important to me because, I mean, I like nice things.
And I would choose this over my XR, to be honest with you.
I've used an iPhone since like the 3GS, so, and I just got a new one. Regret.
So, but this will be mine now. Thank you. Yeah.
No,
This is mine. You can have this. Okay.
that's my phone.
No. No.
I kind of need that for some stuff.
This is yours now. Thank you.
Whether you're watching this on the OnePlus forum or on the Search for Awesome YouTube channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. In the description below, you will find a link to the OnePlus forum, and my fellow brand ambassadors Schaefer and Jason have put together a written version of this, and they also talk about what more people are saying about the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you're looking for more OnePlus content on my channel, I recently posted a review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2, and they're pretty sweet brand new headphones made by OnePlus. Thanks again for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.